Anatomy of dicot and monocot root. Anatomy of dicot root Elianthus anus. So epidermis, it is the outermost layer and it is thin-walled, compactly arranged parenchyma and root hairs from epiblema and there is no stomata. Then below the epidermis there is a cortex and it is thin-walled, loosely arranged parenchyma cells with large spaces. Outermost layer is compactly arranged, contains starch grains. Then endodermis. It is the innermost general cortex. It is composed of barrel-shaped, tightly packed cells. Then it parenchyma cells, caspadin strip except opposite protoxylem. It acts watertight jacket. Then steel. It is tetrarch. Then pericycle is unicerate, parenchyma, then protoplasm. Then vascular bundle are in four in number, in ring, radial. That means xylem and phloem different radius. Then xylem. It is conical shaped, exarch and metaxylem towards center, protoxylem toward periphery. Mature roots, metaxylem in center. Trachete around and the fibers are absent. Then phloem. It is different radii alternating with xylem, outer part towards pericycle, inner part toward metaxylem or metaploem. Then sieve tubes, then companion cell is present, parenchyma cells and the fibers are absent. Then anatomy of monocot root, that is semes. So epidermis, it is the outermost layer. It is thin-walled, compactly arranged parenchyma cells. Root hairs from epiblema. There is no stomata and no space between cells. Then the epidermis, there is cortex. It is thin-walled parenchyma, loosely arranged and have spaces. Few layers of collenchyma and sclerenchyma cells are present in all roots. Endodermis. It is the innermost general cortex, well developed, barrel shaped and thin walled and have caspadin strips. Then steel. It is actinosteel. Then pericycle. It is single layer next to endodermis, parenchyma and sclerenchyma. Around pit. Then xylem. Xylem is exarch, single layer, metaxylem to pit, one or two thick walled protoxylem, vessels towards periphery. Phloem. It has small patches, alternate the xylem, seep elements, companion cells, and phloem parenchyma. Pit. Parenchyma center and starch grains are present. So this is the picture of dicot and monocot root. These are the difference between dicot and monocot root. In dicot, there is presence of root hairs and also in monocot, presence of root hairs. Then cortex is simple, homogeneous and it is made up of parenchymatous cells in dicot. Cortex is well developed. It develops from one or more layers of thick-walled cells towards the outside called epidermis. Then endodermis with capsaicin strips in dicot and endodermis with passage cells. Then radial bundles are less than 8 in dicot and more than 8 in monocot. Secondary growth occurs in dicot and it is no secondary growth in monocot. Pericycle is thin-walled and has a role in secondary growth. Pericycle doesn't have a role in secondary growth in monocot. Pith is very small or may absent. Pith is large and well developed in monocot and xylem is exarch and in monocot the xylem is in exarch. Thank you.